Welcome to the Python tutorial lecture 9 Dictionary in Python. In previous lecture we saw that what is a tuples in Python and different operation performed on tuples. In this lecture we will see what is a dictionary in Python and we will perform some different operation on dictionary. First of all, let's see what is a dictionary in Python. In dictionary you have to just write down dict is equal to, for dictionary here we use curly brackets. After that you have to write like this colon, just give its value, then write another key. Here I write age colon and its value. Here each key is separated from its value by colon. The items are separated by commas. The whole thing is enclosed in curly brackets. Here the keys are unique within a dictionary, while values may not be. The values of the dictionary can be of the any type, but the key must be of the immutable data type such as string and number. Here the key is name and age, and values are vir and 18. If you want to print this dictionary, you have to simply write down print in small bracket dictionary. It will simply print your dictionary. Now let's see how we can use assign value in dictionary. First of all, in previous lecture we saw that how to assign values for the list and tuple. Now let's take comparison of the assigned values, how difference between list, tuple and dictionary will be there. For the list you have to write list is equal to, in square bracket, give any value for that. After that, for the tuples you have to use small bracket and give any value in that. Here I give 1 2 5 7 8. And for the dictionary, how you can write, you have to write dictionary is equal to, in curly brackets you have to use here keys and values. First of all, key we give name colon and its value, here we give vir. Now use another key age colon and its value. Now for that list, how you can see what is as the zeros position, you have to just write down list in square bracket 0. It will come the value 1. For that, if you want to see at that second position, it will come 56. For the tuple, how you can see the values assigned tuple, you have to write in square bracket 0 for the 0th position. And if I write here in second position for the tuple, it will see it's 55 at the second position. For the dictionary, we have to print like that, print in small bracket in single quotes the dictionary. What we can see for name is, then pass its value. Here we have to write dictionary in square bracket, write down key name. It will print its value. Here that value for that key name is vir. The same way, if you want to print for the dictionary age. For second key is age here, so we have to give its value dictionary in square brackets age. It will print 21 for that dictionary. Now let's see how to update in dictionary. In previous lecture we saw that how to update list tuple. So now let's take here also we take the comparison how the difference will be in list tuple and dictionary. For the list we have to just pass out any value. Here I use the same list. For the tuple I use also the same list we again, and for the dictionary I also pass the same dictionary for that. If you want to update a list, how you can update the list here you have to at which position you want to update. Here I want to update at that second position is equal to is 89. Now if I print that list, print in small bracket single comma the update list is, now it's we have to pass its value list. It will print is 1 comma 2 comma 89. Before that list is 56. Now its update is 89 in that list. For the tuple we also see in previous lecture we can't update in tuple. Now let's see how to update in dictionary. For that you have to write down dictionary, then you have to write down in square bracket. Now you have to pass the key in which you want to change. Here I write down age key for that dictionary. Now I have to update that key value 25. Now if I print that dictionary, it will print age is 25. Before that the age is 21. Now dictionary is updated. For the dictionary you have to simply write down dictionary, then assign in which key you want to update and the value of that key. So you can update dictionary by adding a new entry or key value pair, or modifying an existing entry, or deleting the existing entry. Now let's see how to deleting the dictionary. In that also let's see the example of list, tuple and dictionary, and let's see how we can perform that. Before that I again pass the same list tuple, the same list I pass out for use the same tuple and use the same dictionary. Now if you want to delete any particular object from the list, how you can do, you have to simply write down del or delete list and pass the value. Here I want to delete at the second position value. Now if I print the list, what is the output? Output will be 1 comma 2 comma 45. On the second position 56 is deleted from the list. Now in the tuple we already saw that in previous lecture we can't update or delete anything from the tuple. So now let's see how to delete from the dictionary. For that you have to simply write down del for the delete, then for dictionary and passed out in square bracket value of that key. It will delete that name key. If I print the dictionary, that output will be only age 21 will be is there, because that we deleted the name key as well as its value. Now you can see that you can either remove the individual dictionary element or clear the entire content of the dictionary. If you want to delete the entire content, first off, I again pass the same dictionary. If you want to delete the entire content of the dictionary, you have to simply write down dictionary dot clear small bracket. Now if I print that dictionary, print in small bracket dictionary, the output will be an empty. So you can also delete the entire dictionary from a single operation. That's all for the today's lecture. In the next lecture we will see another operation on dictionary. Thank you.